Hello class, Mr. Stone here. The problem I found online today, kind of colorful, so I figured, hey, this looks a little challenging. They want you to solve for x, okay? So, hey, let's do that, okay? So, they kind of give us, it's a straight line, A to B, it's a straight line, so now we got all this in between, so we know a straight line, what is it? It's 180 degrees. Let's write that down, 180, we know a straight line's 180, okay? So that's where we're going to. Okay, so all these things got to add to 180. So, hey, let's write them all down. So we got them, okay? Well, I'll start from left to right. So we'll go 35 plus 5x plus, now, 20 minus, that's 1x, okay? It's not just x, it's 1x, okay? Plus 4x plus 25 equals 180. Okay, we know that to be true. Okay, now let's kind of start combining like terms. Okay, let's start putting things together. Okay, so we can write, I'm going to write all the numbers together. So we got 35 plus 20 plus 25. That's all the whole numbers. Okay, now we got plus the x's. 5x, it's a plus 4x, and a minus 1x. And that equals 180. Okay, we know all that to be true. So, hey, let's stop putting it together. 35 plus 20 is 55. Plus 25, that's 80x. 80, not x. I don't know why I said that. 80 degrees. Okay? Plus, now, let's go 5x plus 4x is 9x. Minus 1x is 8x. So we write 8x. And we know that equals 180. Now, we got to get x by itself. So, hey, let's subtract 80 from both sides. So we subtract 80 from this side and 80 for this side. Okay, we bring this down. We got 100 there. The equal sign comes down, right? And the 8x comes down. 8x. These two cross each other out. So now we have 8x equals 100. Let's make this a better zero. Better zero, okay? Now, we still got to get x by itself. There we get 8 times x. What's the opposite of times? It's division. So we divide this side by 8 and divide this side by 8. These two cross each other out. The x comes down. X equals 100 divided by 8. It's 12.5. I just did it on the calculator. So that's our answer, 12.5. Now, we can really go back, okay, and you can plug in the 12.5. If they had asked you, they asked to solve for x, okay? But if they said, hey, we want the degrees in each one of these, okay, you could go back and plug this in. You could go 5x, 5 times 12.5 equals, get the calculator again, 12.5 times 5 equals 62.5. See, we could go back to each one of these and do the same thing, okay, just like that, okay, if that's what they asked for. But they just asked for solve for x. But you see how you can solve, and you can put the degrees in there if you so need to, okay, just like here, you can do 20 minus 12.5. Equals 7.5. Oop. Yeah, you know, so you can go back to each one of these, okay, and just solve that, okay? If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, show this to any mathematical students because they might see this on an exam and they might get flustered. And this way they could say, oh no, I watched Mr. Stone solve this and it was really relatively easy. I just got to put everything together. Okay, and I just got to remember straight lines 180. That's about the only rule you got to remember for this one. Okay, and please subscribe to my channel. It will help my YouTube ratings, and more students will see this and get better grades. And that's what it's all about, students getting better grades. Thank you very much, and you guys have a great day now. Take care. Bye-bye.